Hi guys. Today we are going to create sounds and tones with piezo speaker. Before creating, let us first know the materials that will be used. These are the materials. Breadboard. This is where all the materials put in place. Piezo speaker are known as a buzzer. This is a small buzzer that creates different frequency and is responsible for creating sounds. Connecting wires, responsible for connecting the materials together. Arduino R3, this is where the commands of the circuit came from. USB cable, responsible for connecting the Arduino R3 and laptop or PC together. Now, get the breadboard. Then get the piezo speaker. Remember that there is a plus marking in the buzzer to identify that the rod is positive. Place the buzzer in the breadboard. Connect a green connecting wire in the positive rod of the buzzer. Then connect a black connecting wire at the negative rod of the buzzer. Next, get the Arduino and put the other end of the green connecting wire in the digital pin 8 of the Arduino. Connect also the other end of the black connecting wire to the GND. After it's done, connect the USB cable to the Arduino and the laptop or PC. This will be the code. As you can see in the code, there are numbers 261, 277, 294, and more are in series. These are the different frequencies that the buzzer will play. Then the 10 at the top is the number of frequencies present in the code. Then click Verify and wait for it to finish. Then click Upload. Let us see and hear what will happen. So, now we can hear different tones that the buzzer produce, that are the 10 frequencies being played. Let's see what will happen if we add an LDR to the circuit. Since we added another circuit in, the codes will also change and it will be like this. This will be the result in adding the LDR. As the LDR receives the right amount of light, it will make a sound. If not, it will not make any sound. The LED will also blink with the rhythm. Using the same circuit, the one with the LDR, let us change the frequency and create an alarm tone. This will be the result. When the light is on, the buzzer will make a sound. Then, when the light is off, it will make a sound until all the frequencies are played. After that, it will not anymore make any sound. When you turn it on again, it will play the ringtone again. So this kind of alarm will be handy in waking you up in the morning, since when the LDR receives the right amount of light from the sun, the sound will wake you up and tell you that it is morning. That is all, guys, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.